All right, we are live. Museum Baseball, 3-box break number 15. I believe this is the last one. These are the last museum boxes we have, unless there's some hiding in the shop. What's up, Jeffrey? Dude, Jeffrey, I seen your tag on your page. Unbelievable hit, dude. Congratulations. Unreal. Are you going to sleep tonight? Dude, I wouldn't be able to sleep tonight. I would have to like take something to be able to sleep. Probably not. He hit a gold Stroud kaboom.
Oh, sick.
Dude, what are you gonna do with it? What are you gonna? What do you? Yeah, you probably don't even know yet. But I would sell it right away. I'm not trying to, tell you what to do. But man, the hype is real.
Oh yeah.
Was it a case break? Quad Pena to 99 Astros. Trouty. It's in the works. Yeah. Yeah, I would consign that with like a well-known consigner, honestly. Trey Turner out of 99.
Sick.
It was a random hobby box. This is a like a one box break. No way.
Wow, dude.
Don't. It was. Did you a one box random hobby? What do you mean?
Like random teams, one hobby box.
Oh my gosh, one box.
Jeez.
Hey man, do you think we can do it again? You think we can do it again? I got one box right here. One Texans and a filler too. Damn, dude.
Oh my.
That's
God.
crazy, man. That's awesome.
Dude, that's
I'm happy
sick.
for you, man. Eloy to 20, White Sox. Max Muncy to 50, Dodgers, auto. Out of 50, Austin Riley to the Braves. Gruber. I see him when I go to Bucks games. At least when I went to the big games.
Yeah.
Will, did you run that yet? What? Okay, let me know when you're done because I got to plug those guys in. I'm the plug. I'm the plug. Plug them in. Plug them into the line. Walker Buehler. This whole case or something had these cards messed up. The bottom's messed up. 35 Dodgers. Miguel Vargas on the purple to 99. Dodgers, man.
Will Topps replace those damaged ones?
Yeah, I think they will. I don't know. I mean, I would just sell it like as is. If I hit this in a break, I wouldn't want. I don't know. It depends.
I mean,
on,
if it was a good card.
Yeah. Oh yeah. If it was a
it.
good card, yeah. If I hit this card, I'd probably just deal with it.
Yeah.
No, if that's me, it wouldn't be worth my time.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Like the bottom in a top loader. Does it make you want to stop or buy more Absolute? Now that is a question mark. Trevor Hoffman to 199 going out to the Padres. Tovar to 150 Rockies. I bought more. Eloy to 299. That's so crazy that I was out of a loose box though. Alcantara to 299. Adley, canvas rookie to the Orioles. Charlie Blackmon to 75. Last box. On top of that was a 101 locker room card. Oh, shoot. Damn, that's crazy. So that's why those boxes are worth $700. You can hit, gold CJ Strouds and 101s in them. the one box in the world. Well, I guess there would be 10 golds, but probably not 10 with a 1 of 1 in it, though.
Yeah.
Wow, nice. This is a good hit right here. Out of 15, Michael Harris, Braves.
Nice.
Jason Franklin. Let's go. PC Mojo, I believe.
Hit one of those out of 99 today. I mean, not music collection.
Update.
Bowman's best.
Oh, yeah, Bowman's best. And you almost done with that case?
Yeah, I finished it today.
Oh, nice. Padres quad to 75. Was the best card that,
I have my thing here to show you after this.
Yeah.
Because I know you haven't watched it.
No, I have not. Tucker to 99, Astros.
But yeah, the gunner out of 50.
Gunner, yeah, that's how I would say, the gunner.
Yeah. Those,
Logan Gilbert to 50 patch. And a Josh Jung rookie to 299. Rangers. Jim.
the regular kabooms of Stroud, I think we're going for like 8,000 or 9,000.
The regular ones were?
Yeah.
Was
so
it on eBay? 'Cause I seen
on
one.
eBay. Well, one sold for like 15. But
Yeah, that was
there's
Shield.
no way that's gonna.
Yeah.
get
That was
paid
Shield.
for.
That's not getting paid for
Yeah.
100%. But you said there's 8, 9?
8 and 9, I think, were the other two that I saw.
Crazy. Bojack. Noma Garcia Parra to 99. Red Sox. That's a cool one. You don't see too much of his stuff.
Somebody listed the 1 out of 10 kaboom for 125,000.
I seen that when I was looking for a filler picture. I seen that. Last box, last pack. And it's going out to the Brewers. Corbin Burns out of 399 patch auto, Robin Smith.
Yeah, the horizontal Stroud just sold for 6,400.
Horizontal did
The
64. So
horizontal, so the vertical.
vertical's probably 8-ish.
Yeah,
That's not even the gold.
that's not gold.
Gold's probably like 50 to 80K. I don't know. 50?
There's a vertical with 30.
It's so hard to tell. I would guess it's closer to 80.
There's a vertical with 3 days left at 9K.
Is a vertical at 9K with 3 days left? What does it show the bids on there?
32 bids.
What's the last bid? Is it got someone with ratings?
Let me look.
Recapping. Michael Harris to 15 was our hit of the break. All right, that is it. Museum 3 box number 15 is in the books. Thank you, everybody.